Hey, welcome to Dr. Joint's Health Channel. Are your knees feeling crunchy, stiff, or just downright painful? You're not alone. Worn or damaged knee cartilage can make every step a challenge. But guess what? New scientific discoveries show that your body can actually rebuild cartilage if you provide the right nutrients. And there's one superfood that stands out in this process: bone broth. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bone broth, really? But trust me, this tried-and-true home remedy is packed with nutritional power that can help regenerate your joints, cartilage, and connective tissue. Let's dive into why bone broth is a game-changer for knee health and what it does in your body. First up, the magic ingredient, collagen. Bone broth is loaded with high-quality collagen type 2, the main building block of cartilage. Collagen ensures your cartilage stays elastic, resilient, and well lubricated. Plus, it has anti-inflammatory properties and helps slow down cartilage breakdown. By regularly consuming bone broth, you provide your body with essential amino acids that support cartilage repair. Next, bone broth is a natural source of glucosamine and chondroitin. These two substances are essential for cartilage health, often found in pricey supplements. They help your joints retain moisture, improve shock absorption, and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of bone broth means better cartilage nutrition and pain-free movement, even if osteoarthritis starts to creep in. Let's talk minerals. A good bone broth is rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all critical for cell regeneration and cartilage tissue. These minerals not only support bone development, but also help rebuild cartilage. So, sip on that broth and give your joints the minerals they crave. And then there's gelatin, the ultimate natural joint lubricant. Gelatin in bone broth isn't just for thickening up your soups. It acts as a lubricant for your joints, reducing friction pain and aiding in the reconstruction of damaged tissue. Studies show that gelatin can stabilize cartilage structure and significantly improve joint function, making it a must-have for anyone active or dealing with osteoarthritis. Finally, bone broth's anti-inflammatory effect, the silent helper. Bone broth contains inflammation-fighting substances like glycine, proline, and glutamine. These components work on a cellular level to reduce inflammation, improve gut health for better nutrient absorption, and boost your immune system. Chronic inflammation is a major cause of joint degeneration, and bone broth can help keep that in check. So next time your knees are giving you trouble, remember that bone broth might just be the natural remedy you need. Oh, and if you're curious about how to fight gout with a little garlic, make sure to click on the video link right here. Take care, and here's to healthier, happier joints.